Hello everybody, it is meteorologist Agent's weather forecast. Welcome back to another video. I just want to say, guys, sorry for not making an upload yesterday. I was literally gone all day from my house. I literally left the house at 9 a.m. and got home at 11:20 p.m. I was in Atlanta and then I went right to Lake Lanier, so I had no time, so I'm sorry for that. But today I do have time for a video, so let's just go on with this. This video is going to actually be about possible snowstorm for parts of the Midwest and the plains. And yes, another snowstorm. Won't be as significant as the last snowstorm, but it's gonna be a snowmaker, but not as much as the last one. So we actually checked 6 hours. You can see that snow is in parts of Idaho, parts of Montana, and just scatter snowstorms. Not really a snowmaker there, or it's a snowmaker, but not really a real storm. But by 18 hours, a lot changes. You can see that snowstorm starts to go in a little more together, and it moves a lot more west or east, and it's pretty heavy, and it intensifies a lot. Minneapolis actually getting quite some heavy snow. It just stretches all the way to Montana, to parts of Minnesota. It's gonna make its way to Wisconsin and parts of southern Minnesota, but you can see really heavy snow for parts of South Dakota on the western part, and then scattered snowstorms from Nevada and Salt Lake City. Let's go to 30 hours from now. So this is the 31st midday. You can see snow stretches all the way to southern or northern Arizona, to parts of Minnesota or the most northern part of Wisconsin, and also you can see where that big rain actually moves. It actually moves north with that moisture from the Gulf, and then it meets that cold air. You can see a possible mix for parts of Wisconsin, that ice, and that could be dangerous, quite dangerous, with that ice as it melts, or as that rain melts and then it freezes on contact. So that can be really dangerous and cause power outages. South Dakota again with the big snowstorm. Not much of a North Dakota storm. Again, it's not going to be like it's not going to be like the last storm. I'm just letting you know, it's not going to be like that. Let's actually go to 42 hours. 42 hours. It does go into parts of Wisconsin. You can see Minneapolis again, and it's going into Michigan. Central Michigan can get some really heavy snow. Green Bay and Brookville, Wisconsin can get some light to moderate snow. Chicago again, sorry, not in it. Just getting rain, Chicago. And then it just stays some scattered for parts of Madison, Wisconsin, and then it leaves. So yeah, it just leaves by the 1st of January. So you can have some snow on when it becomes New Year's. This is the GFS model. You can see it does show quite a heavy band of snow stretching from Minnesota to parts of western or eastern Wyoming. Sorry, you can see just right here this little heavy band, and this you can see up to 8 inches. Minneapolis can get maybe up to 2 inches. Not really, like I said, it's not going to be like a big snowstorm like the last one. I'm just letting you guys know it's not going to be like that. Minneapolis could maybe get at most 3 inches. Like I said, it's not going to be like Eboni. It's just not. But parts of actually Green Bay, sorry, that was a bad circle. Parts of southern Wisconsin can get more snow than they got in Eboni, because parts of the most southern part of Wisconsin, they didn't get maybe less than an inch or so. Now they can get up to 3 to 4 inches, so that's a lot more snow than Eboni on the Wisconsin part. And you can see this really heavy snow for southwest. We'll talk about that tomorrow, but just a good chance for. Let's just look at the GFS. Now let's go to the European. Okay, this is the European. It goes all the way to 6th of January on what I want. You can see, again, they actually agree on something. You can see it does show a heavy band from northern Minnesota, to parts of western Wyoming, or eastern Wyoming, and it does show that really heavy amount, up to 8 inches for eastern Wyoming. So but the only thing we really gotta watch out, it does show, wow, a lot more heavy snow. It does show a lot more heavy snow for parts of central and central Wisconsin, and then central Michigan. It shows up to 9 inches of snow for parts of these areas, and it's purple to pink. So that's quite a big difference. This is the only really big difference in these two models right now. Just really gotta be careful, because it went from 4 inches to like up to 9 inches, and it does show a little more snow for parts of northern Minnesota. It shows a little more snow for central South Dakota. So these are the little things that can actually make a big difference. So just look at that, guys. Really heavy band. Just really gotta be careful, because I will be watching this snowstorm really closely. I will try my best to track it and try to make sense of the models, what they are gonna look like. And yeah, I'm just gonna try my best for that. Let's actually check out the National Weather Service. It would be the last thing we check out. We're just gonna check out everything we see here. You can just see I had to change my mouse thing. You can see windstorm watches for parts of central New Mexico. Like I said, I will be talking about that snowstorm tomorrow. The only thing you see is watches, scattered watches for northern Wisconsin and one county in Minnesota. But trust me, there can be a lot more. 8,000. There can be a lot more advisories or watches if we come to tomorrow, at the end of tomorrow. You do see warnings for parts of Montana, Idaho, parts of western Wyoming and Idaho. And then you see that a lot of watches and warnings. Like you saw on the radar, this is where the snowstorm really does start. It makes its way south, and then it also at the same time makes its way east. So I'm talking about one part of that snowstorm today, which is in the Midwest and the plains, and then tomorrow I'll be talking about the southwest part of it. So yeah. So that's why there's all these warnings, watches, and advisories. The dark purple is advisories. This type of blue, dark blue, is watch, and then the pink, pink is warning. So that's what it looks like here. Scattered flood advisories for Minnesota. Oh, sorry, not Minnesota. Oh my God, Mississippi, Louisiana, Tennessee. Scattered in northern Alabama. See, that's just what this will look. That looks like. There are special weather statements for Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, and Kentucky, and I believe the same thing here, which is for the snow. So that's just what the looks like. You can see a special weather statement here, wind advisory, I believe there. Yes, there is a high wind watch for parts of the southern part of Southern California, and there is a wind advisory. Hold on, guys. There is a wind advisory for parts of Northern California and Oregon. So guys, that was the video. I really hope you guys liked it. Hope I guys informed you if you live in the Midwest or the high plains. I really hope I informed you about the snowstorm possible actually ending on January 1st, so you can actually get some snow maybe when you're celebrating New Year's right at midnight. So I really hope I track this storm really good. Tomorrow, like I said, I'll be talking about the snow for the Southwest. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for instant notifications. We have been stuck at 433 subscribers. I really hope, guys, we can actually just move a little more up, because we've really been stuck at 433 for about a day and a half. So I really hope, guys, we can get more than 2 subscribers at the end of the day. So guys, do not forget to like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video tomorrow, and hope you guys informed you.